What if the combination of artificial intelligence and 3D printing could revolutionize the manufacturing industry as we know it? As we stand at the precipice of technological advancement, we find two game changers, artificial intelligence and 3D printing, evolving at a breathtaking pace. Just imagine the possibilities if we were to intertwine these two. Could we optimize designs, minimize waste, and skyrocket efficiency? These aren't just idle musings. They're the questions that could shape the future of manufacturing. To understand this better, let's dive into a real-life case study. Consider the case of a leading automotive company that implemented AI in their 3D printing process. This isn't a tale of a distant future, but a reality of today's innovative manufacturing landscape. The company found itself grappling with high material waste and inefficiencies in its production. They turned to artificial intelligence for a solution, integrating it into their 3D printing design process. The results were nothing short of revolutionary. The company employed AI algorithms to optimize their designs before they even hit the printer. These algorithms, capable of learning and improving over time, analyzed each design for potential flaws and inefficiencies. They were able to predict areas where the design might fail or produce unnecessary waste. For instance, if a part of the design was too thin and prone to breaking during the printing process, the AI would flag it. It could even suggest improvements, such as thickening the part or changing its shape to better distribute stress. This predictive capability saved the company substantial time and resources, as they could correct flaws before they became costly errors. But the AI didn't stop at identifying issues. It also played a crucial role in enhancing the overall design process. By analyzing vast amounts of data, including past designs and their performance, the AI could suggest design optimizations. These weren't just minor tweaks, but significant enhancements that led to robust, efficient, and cost-effective designs. The integration of AI also brought about increased production